So how can you brighten the screen of your iPad? Let's talk about it, but before we get started, ensure you are subscribed to the Foxtecc channel because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So the easiest method to brighten up your screen is to, of course, go to the control center of your iPad, use the brightness slider, which you can even hold down on to make it go larger, and you can swipe up on it, make sure you bump it up to the full brightness, and it will be at the max peak brightness. Okay, that is the basic stuff, but outside of that, there are some features which might still limit the brightness of the display. For example, you can check out the accessibility section of your iPad, where you can see that we have the display and its text size, and a bunch of different things are going on in here. So there is the reduce white point, which will generally make the display dimmer, right? And it is like separate and completely independent from the brightness slider. So you can see the reduce white point when you just make it go all the way to the right. It makes the screen a lot darker, independent of the brightness slider. So you just want to make sure that this is not turned on, meaning that it doesn't interfere with your screen. Same thing at the bottom, you might also be having the auto brightness turned on, which means that when you move your iPad to a darker environment, it might also lower down the brightness of your iPad. And if you don't want that to be happening automatically, turn it off right here. But yeah, these are the things which I wanted to share with you in this video. So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you managed to brighten up your screen of the iPad. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.